Hello there, it's Ulysses from SSW, and I'm here to tell you about how to set up iterations for your timesheets if needed. So now in TimePro and in our CRM system, iterations are optional. So if I create a new project that I need to put a timesheet against, let's say I'm working for Northwind, and I call it Test 1, and it's it's an access application. And everything else is correct. I will press save. That creates a project for me. If I go in there, you can see that use iteration is by default set to no. So if I want to add a timesheet in TimePro against Northwind, it asks me what my default rate should be. Just use the default. Project, test 1. I can see the project type there. I can correct that if it's wrong. And I was working on some database development. And you can see there's no iteration drop down here. So I can just save that. And that's now saved. If I was going to go and invoice them, Northwind, I can make a new invoice and I can allocate the time. And as you can see, everything works without iterations. There's no mention of iterations here, and it all works. So if I just delete that now, and I'll just delete that timesheet. Now let's say I did want to have iterations. I can just say yes please. So I will say yes please, new iteration. Call it 1, make it active, and save and close. That syncs across to TimePro, so now if I refresh the iteration box, I can see I've got the option for 1. So, as you can see, you have the option to either use iterations or not use iterations as needed. The default is that no, you don't need to use iterations. However, if your client needs it, you can do it, and then you can report costs per iteration as needed. Thank you.